Hello! Your Mr. Meatball Chef is here, back again. Here we go. So, what Chef Paolo gonna make today? Today we're gonna make homemade meatloaf. That porpettone, how we say in Italy, a big meatball. We're gonna make a super special meatloaf filled with cheese and ham with a special touch of Chef Paolo. Alright guys, so let's check the ingredients. In this case we have for 4 people. So 400 grams of minced pork meat, 400 grams of minced beef meat, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, 100 grams of bread. You can take any old bread you have at home, 100 grams of milk, 1 egg, some slices of cheddar cheese and emmental cheese, some slices of Parma ham, couple of cloves of garlic, of course thyme and rosemary, 300 grams of potato, and of course extra virgin olive oil. As you can check in my previous video of spaghetti meatball, we're gonna prepare a super big meatball now. We put all the meat inside this, we break our egg inside. Then we need to prepare our bread and we chop. Why we use the bread, guys? Because the bread with the milk gonna give a special consistency to our meatball. Here we are. Then we chop super small 1 garlic cloves. Then Parmesan cheese. Salt, I would say the equivalent of 1 teaspoon. Pepper. Last but not least, our meat. And now guys, let's make our hands dirty. And here we are. Look how beautiful it is, our big meatball. Our meatloaf is perfect ready. Now follow the second step. Put an oven layer on the tray, and we take our meatloaf and we spread it all along this layer. Like a pizza, guys! Hey, check my video of the pizza, huh? It's a big hit. Everybody's making pizza shine with their video. Super nice. While we spread it so nice, we take all our cheese and our ham to fill it up. 1 cheese, 1 ham. Now, little by little. Here you are, guys. Look how beautiful is this meatloaf. It's a big porpettone, you know? It's a big, I don't know, super delicious. So, now we take the tray over our oven and we put the meatloaf on the tray. We let it rest a little bit at the time we prepare our potato. When I make roasted potatoes, guys, I like to make small cubes in the way we can cook it perfectly. Super crunchy outside and super soft inside. Once we nicely chopped our potatoes, we put in a bowl extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, rosemary, and thyme. Take 2 more cloves of garlic and chop it. And now we mix. Here we are. Let's take our porpettone back. We put all this really nice potato around. Some olive oil on top. Alright guys, our porpettone is ready to be roasted. So now we need to be a little bit patient. 80-90 minutes, 180 degrees. Now we're gonna have an amazing. Let's go. See you. Bye-bye. And here you are. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh, amazing. Such an amazing crust on top. All the potatoes perfectly roasted. And now, let's Sunday lunch for all the family or friends. If you make such a nice meatloaf for all the friends, they gonna love it. And now guys, best moment of this recipe. We need to try it. So soft and juicy inside. Mamma mia! I don't have words to describe how delicious it is. So full of different flavors. So, I don't know, soft inside with this really nice crust outside. Mamma mia! Today we fill with cheese and ham. We can fill with mushroom. We can fill even with apples. I'm gonna show you the recipe. Super nice, sweet and sour taste. Meatloaf is something we can create and we can make amazing dishes. So, make it at home. Make it for your children. They're gonna love it. Follow the steps. It's super easy and it's authentic Italian recipe of polpettone, guys. Thank you very much for following me. And of course, always here, my kitchen for you. Next recipe. See you then. Bye bye.